Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your QBSS employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in qbssmail.com/employee-portal/account/login and press enter. You will now directly be taken into the employee login portal where you can enter your credentials. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your QBSS Mail employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will need to contact the support team for QBSS Mail admin and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your QBSS Mail employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.